In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a workspace in MotiveWave. Now to do this, you can go to the File tab top left, and then from here you want to click on this Save All button or press Ctrl+L, which is going to save your current workspace for future work, okay? Now if it's grayed out, it means there's currently no changes to, of course, save. I've saved them just a few seconds ago, that's why it's not showing. Or what you could also do to save the workspace is to create a backup. So you can click on over here where it says Backup, and as you can see here, it's going to say that this allows you to create a backup of your current workspace, and it can be used for archive purposes or maybe used to move analysis files to another workspace, okay? So from over here, you can just go and select where you want to back this up. I'm going to go and click on here, and I'm actually going to go into my downloads, and I'm just going to create one in here, okay? So it's going to be a backup in here. I'm going to click on the Save button, and then I'm going to click on Create. This is going to create a backup file, and then from here, if you ever want to import it or load it in, you want to go to File, and then you want to click on Restore, and then from here you want to find your backup file. For me, it's in here. Click on Open, and then you can restore it from this button over here, okay? So that's how that's going to work. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.